2023 Kia EV9, a top safety rating in electric drive. Discover how the 2023 Kia EV9 sets new safety standards in the electric SUV world. Let's dive into its impressive Euro NCAP results. The 2023 Kia EV9, a spacious 7-seat electric SUV, has garnered significant attention for its impressive safety credentials, as demonstrated by its recent Euro NCAP testing results. The Euro NCAP, Europe's leading independent safety testing organization, awarded the Kia EV9 a 5-star safety rating, the highest possible rating. In terms of individual scores, the Kia EV9 excelled in various safety aspects. It achieved an 83% rating for its safety assist systems, showcasing the effectiveness of its advanced driver assistance technologies. Additionally, the vehicle scored an impressive 84% in adult protection and an even higher 88% in child protection, indicating its robust design and safety features tailored to protect all passengers. The rating for vulnerable road users stood at 76%, reflecting the vehicle's considerations for pedestrians and other non-motorized road users. The comprehensive safety features and advanced technology of the Kia EV9 make it an attractive option for families and individuals seeking a reliable and safe electric vehicle. Its 7-seat capacity, combined with its high safety ratings, positions it as a leading choice in the electric SUV market. The Euro NCAP's recognition of the Kia EV9 underscores Kia's commitment to safety and innovation in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle sector. These results not only demonstrate the Kia EV9's commitment to passenger safety, but also reflect the broader trend in the automotive industry towards enhancing vehicle safety features, particularly in the realm of electric vehicles. The Kia EV9's achievement in these rigorous tests provides consumers with the confidence that they are investing in a vehicle that prioritizes safety without compromising on performance and environmental friendliness.